Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to scroll to the bottom of Instagram page. So to do that, first log into your Instagram account, and once you're in your account, all you have to do is go to any page, and now just keep scrolling until you reach the bottom of the page. So there is no any quick formula over here. All you have to do is give in the time and then just scroll, just keep scrolling, and you'll reach to the bottom of the Instagram page like that. So I'm just going to show you. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.